GME stock analysis and GME stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. Look, I'm the only guy on this page. I've done this for 43,000 videos and has proof of everything. So I have seen what's printing and what's not. So overviewing this with GME, it's just, bro, it's just not it. Like, not it yet. Looking for a buy, but hasn't happened yet. So how? Well, you know, after this pull down, kind of this streak kind of got broken. You know what I mean? I got this streak that was since 23rd or something, I believe. It was 23 bucks at the time. Yeah, it was 23. And it was 8th of April. And then since then, you know, I've been longing the crap out of it and then came down. The only thing that I would still love to do is just buy as long as there is a double break here. And if not, man, that's good. Solid, you know, I'm not just going to immediately force no trades. But because I'm a very process-driven person, and I've been proven time and time again that if I stick to the basics with my process, I'll be rewarded by making money, then I'll just stick with it. You know, like, only if there is a confirmation, I'm willing to take it further up. If you want my exact play and all that jazz, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already tried it, and I'll see you in the next one.